I think the small blessings in life are those small things that bring happiness and satisfaction. They don't need much, but they can bring people near joy and happiness. I think one of the small blessings is always free lighter. It saves me a lot of waiting time and allows me to do more meaningful things. The other is the smell and affirmations for others, because seeing others smiling at you or giving you affirmation will make you feel very happy. Even if he is a stranger, I will still feel very happy too. There is a saying, laughter is contagious. So when you see other people's smiles, you will also